What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, and today, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have a very special model, and well, I'd say a model that to me is very special and I'm very excited to have this. My first Air Canada A321. This is not by a brand that's very well known. It's actually kind of blown up. Well, I wouldn't say blown up, but it's become a little bit more popular recently. With Yesterday Airlines talking a lot about it and stuff. But we have the HYJL model, this brand, and they've got the 321 mold, 321 Neo, I think, and 330, and they've done a couple models. And they did the Air Canada, apparently they did an Air Canada A321 into Starline delivery a while ago, and that kind of went under the radar for most. I don't recall ever really seeing about it at the time. I saw about it later on, when Yesterday Airlines kind of brought up the brand and everything. But we have HYJL wings, and their A321 in front of us for the Air Canada. So I'm super excited to have this. These are a limited edition, as you can see in the box, but I remember reading that they produce a fairly limited quantity. Mind you, a lot of stores here in the Western Hemisphere, like US, Canada, have actually got some of them. How many, I don't know, but I was able to get mine, which was great. I got this from the Midwest Mall store. I pre-ordered it there, and I picked it up from them. And I'm super excited to have this. The registration is Charlie-Golf Juliet Victor X-Ray. And here's the box. So very nice, pretty cool. So it says limited to 150 pieces. I don't know if they actually only made 150 pieces, because it seems like quite a few retailers have got them, and I guess got enough to fulfill orders and stuff. So I don't know, but I'm super excited to have this. Let's get right on into it. Ooh, nice thick packaging. Okay, very nice. Oh, interesting. It's like two foam. Oh, interesting. It's like a foam slider thing. Oh, cool. Oh, and a card. Very nice. A little card here, limited edition. So, number 21 of 150. Very, very nice. That's pretty cool. Collector's card. So this is just kind of like a loose piece of foam on top here. Definitely a different style of packaging. Normally it's plastic, but this is interesting. You have a piece of plastic there. And here we have the model. Oh, wow, guys. Wow. Alrighty. Oh, man, that's incredible looking. Damn. I'll just sort of like get that off to the side there. Wow. This looks spectacular. This looks absolutely fantastic, guys. Wow. Alright. Let's take a look at that. This looks fantastic. Just from like looking at the cockpit to like the nose shape to the gear, the printing, the engines, the wings, the little like sharp, well, the wingtips, the wingtip fences. Oh, wow. This is fantastic. So, I've heard that they use the NG mold, but I don't know if that's 100%, like, I don't know if that's the mold they use on this one, or if that's like an older one or a newer one, or they've changed it up and made their own. I don't know, but either way, this overall looks incredible. With the paint scheme too, this, the new updated black and red and white, I think looks really good, really sharp. So, here we go. Let's get on in the details. So we got close over the cockpit, the nice raccoon as they say, cockpit windows and everything, the shape, nose shape, everything looks fantastic. Very, very nice. I'm not sure what that little piece of something is there. Oh, huh. Not sure. I think it was a piece of dirt. But anyway, there we go. Looking at it, nose shape, cone, mold, fantastic. Got the antenna there. Really nice. Got a little Star Alliance logo and all the little logos and stuff, markings on the door there. Very, very nice. Got the Maple Leaf, the Air Canada logo right there, and then the Air Canada titles. L1 door. You got the beacon up there. The nose gear looking really nice. That slight tilt to it, which is accurate to the 321s. Very, very nice. Gear door looking great. Good size. Moving along, L2 door there. You got the emergency side exit marking there. Very, very nice. The engine's looking fantastic. Good shape, good size. They hang well. No tilt, no crazy tilts or anything. Very, very nice. As I say, there's only if they're only 150 made, they've got to have done a good job of the quality, right? You could check every single one. It's only 150 models. So yeah, and then the wingtip, fences, looking really nice there. Focus here. Maybe it won't. Anyway, I tried, but looks really good. Very nice. There we go. Moving along, L3 door there, and more the emergency side markings there. Very, very nice. The wing looking really nice too. Good details on that. Going to the back, you got the Canadian flag and then the registration. Charlie Golf Juliet Victor X-Ray A321-200. And then the L4 door there. Oh, my bad. And then the tail, looking very nice. Tail fin, great detail there. 456 is the tail number. And spinning around to this side, we have the bulk bin door there. Main cargo door. Or the aft cargo door and the forward cargo door there. Very, very nice. This looks fantastic. We'll take a look at the top down. Well, here's a nose view. Looking really nice. Top down, very nice. There's the antennas on the top and the bottom. Very, very nice. You can see we got those. And then you have the maple leaf there. A lot of great markings on everything. The gears look fantastic. Very, very nice. You got the little HYJL wings there, logo, and then everything else looking really, really nice. This is a stellar model, guys. Beautiful. Super happy to have this in my fleet. And you know, at the time of making this video, the engine models, the hints just came out, and in the 321, under 321s, there's a Canadian registered 321 that might be coming out. So my hope is that it's an Air Transat, but it could also be an Air Canada 321, maybe in the Star Alliance, maybe in the regular livery, maybe in the old toothpaste livery. If it's in the old toothpaste livery, I'd absolutely pick that up as well. But we'll see. Could be a variety of things. My hope is an Air Transat A321 Neo, but we'll see. Anyway, back to this though. This is a fantastic model. I don't know how many of these are, how fast it's going to go. I'm sure it's going to go pretty quickly because a good Air Canada 321 hasn't been on the market in quite some time. I think the last one, there was the Phoenix one. Don't know how long ago that was. It's still available around the place, a few places, but it's the Phoenix Mall is mobile and everything. I don't know how it can't be that good. So when I saw that this was coming, I decided to grab this over getting that old Phoenix one, and I'm super happy I did. This is incredible. So yeah, guys, anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to see more. Stay tuned for more model unboxing and review videos as well as other content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.